Hello, everyone. This is Resilience Coach Jean Morrison with DIY Resilience, and this is Resilience Time. It's time to get ready for a healthy dose of brain rest. You need brain rest to support your DIY self-care plan. About 17 minutes of rest for every 52 minutes you work for optimum performance. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to be notified of new DIY resilience tips, trainings, updates, and live events. Now, I invite you to lay down or sit comfortably and take up as much space as possible. Send a message to your brain that you matter. Close your eyes or focus on your screen and breathe. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Invite a full connection to all that supports your body-mind. Sense into the texture of the chair, the bed, the floor, or the wall, and further to sense the air embracing the outer layer of your skin and just around it. You might follow the air as it enters your lungs, feeds your body-mind down to your cells, and then back out again. This cycle of life, a consistent give and take, a coming and going, is familiar and calming, isn't it? A consistent coming and going, like the moon and the sun as they circle the earth with you somewhere on it. Invite yourself to consider watching the sun as it begins to rise. Long rays appearing first, brightening a dark sky from black to blue and yellow and orange at the horizon. A cloudy sky turns shades of fluorescent pink and orange, and layers of bright yellow strewn in billowing flags of brilliance in advance of the Sun King, now come. Outshining sight, outshining night, appearing above the horizon at last. Here is the sun delivering a day for you to enjoy. Who would dare to have anything but a beautiful day after such a display of natural magnificence warming your face, your heart, and your thoughts? A bird flies ahead, encouraging the start again of a day, a new start, a good start, an easy day. Challenges will lie ahead, but this will be a day of promise and opportunity enough for everyone, everywhere, to rise as the sun again. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Now you can deepen your brain rest into a deeper natural contemplation, or get back to the rest of your day. Remember to stop and label emotions, look and define them, then go and return to rest as soon as possible. Breathe and be DIY resilient as you creatively resolve all your daily challenges, big and small, with your support team. After all, no one does resilience alone. And if you're feeling overwhelmed, isolated, and in need of a fresh start, join our private Resilient Connection group. The link is in the video description below. I'll see you in the room.